with lace. It's really good. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for returning. For those of you guys, your first time on my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button so that you guys can join the family. Make sure that your notification bells is on, because we get lit on this channel. Yeah, child, my eyebrows got together today and said, we just gonna raise hell. Okay, so if I told you guys how long this took me to do my eyes, my face is like getting dry. Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Beauty Bakerie Concealer and the Beauty Bakerie Setting Powder. Well, by the way, I'm hot as hell like under these lights, so I open the window. If it's too loud, I'm gonna just have to do a voiceover and all of this talking is just gonna look crazy. Or I'm just gonna have to endure it and you're gonna hear the planes, but I'm hot as hell. I'm sorry. These products have been on the market for so long now, but I've never tried it. I know our auntie Jack, she raves about the Beauty Bakerie setting powder so much, so I just had to try it. You guys, I really can't tell if my lighting is okay, but I hope it is. I hope it's good enough for you guys. This is the Beauty Bakerie concealer, and this is what the concealer looks like. Kind of cute, you know? It smells like a marker, like a permanent marker to me, to be honest. Ugh, I don't know. Got my concealer in the shade You're Beautiful. I don't know if they sell it in stores, but I didn't buy it in stores. I actually bought it online, so I don't know if it is my actual shade, but I based it off of the reviews that I saw people do. This is the Beauty Bakerie setting powder. By the way, like, I think that their packing is by far one of the best. This is the Beauty Bakerie flour powder. It actually comes like this. When you get it, genius. Like, it literally has the nutrition facts, which actually state it's vegan. It actually does look like flour. This is what the product actually looks like. I already have my foundation on, as you guys should know by now. So I'm going to conceal. It looks a little too neutral and a little too light for me personally, my skin tone and my liking. So I'm hoping that the flour powder will kind of counteract that a little bit since it's yellow. I'm actually very curious to see if it dries down quick, because then that means I gotta pick up the base. Pick up the pieces. Pick up the pieces. It does seem like it's drying like really, really quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out so that I'm not stuck here. Oh! Oh no. Okay, so it does dry down very, very quickly. So you need to do this in sections and not do the whole face like I just did, because child, you will be screwed. It seems like it's very sticky. Guys, see that? It looks like it has a pretty good amount of coverage though. I'm not gonna hold you. And the color actually doesn't seem that bad once it's blended out. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh, like that's seriously sticky. Like, do you see that? Look, that's crazy. Okay, let's get this section. And I'm not sure if it's sticky because they want the flour powder to really adhere to it. That's a little distracting, to be honest. Let's quickly cream contour. But it feels like the surface of like a ball, like a medicine ball. Feel it? This is so weird. Like, oh boy, I can't wait to give y'all my final thoughts right now. This creamy full coverage liquid concealer is built with a waterproof formula and matte finish, providing all day wear, perfect for covering imperfections and evening skin tone. Let me close the window because it's not that hot anymore. When I'm trying out new setting powders, I like to kind of be a little mindful that I've never used it before, so I don't know how it's gonna perform. Ooh, feels like it's tightening and setting in. Any of you guys have noticed or know me by now, I have very watery eyes and they tear for anything, like anything. The fact that this concealer is waterproof, I think that that's what's hindering any like drippage. I feel like it's very thin formulated and it's not overpowering in any way. I don't feel like you can really have flashback with this powder. I'm gonna go ahead and dust this off and finish up my face, and then I'll be back. So that's the end of the video, you guys. I have so much that I want to chat to you guys about. I don't know where to start and begin to tell you guys what's going on with this lighting up in here. My damn box light literally right here. If it looks crazy, I'm sorry. Let's get into this look. I mean, like, I must say that I actually do really like it. I don't see any creasing. I don't see any like movement of the product. That the formula kind of scared me at first because I wasn't used to it. I think that the formula was genius. I felt like it was not going to be my shade. However, it ended up matching pretty well. The concealer is 4 ml or 0.14 fluid ounces. So if that seems like it's going to be enough concealer for you, I think that you should go out and get it. Moving on to the flower powder. Love the flower powder. I think that it sets your makeup very well. It leaves your makeup looking airbrushed and flawless. I love that it's very, very loose, and even when it sits on your face, it like dusts away so beautifully, so you don't have to worry about flashback, because I know some of y'all girls be wanting to, you know, be unclockable. Would I be dragging it if I said it smelled like actual powder? Because I feel like it smelled like actual powder. Love the packaging. Powder is 14 grams or 0.49 ounces. Out of the two products, I would definitely recommend that you get the flower powder. Be very cautious of how you apply the concealer because it kind of dries out real quick on your skin. Is it worth buying? I, in my opinion, would say get the flower powder. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful to you guys. Make sure that you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.